All right, I am at the Hot Springs, Arkansas American Gangster Museum, and they only provide guided tours here, so I got permission to roam around for a minute. It's not a real big museum, it's just kind of the history of the town, and it's very dim in here, so hopefully the camera will pick up on some of this. This is probably the most interesting part to me. There was this guy named Oni Madden, and apparently he was one of the least known but most successful folks that operated here. Owen Madden. And then here's some of his personal belongings. Apparently he supported this town financially for a long time, and everybody owes him some gratitude. And then we have some antique hose, I guess. This is interesting. It says, "Do not empty this toilet out of train window." That's good to know. And actually, my favorite part of this museum is right here. So this is medicinal alcohol. During Prohibition, you could get a doctor to prescribe you some liquor. Let's see. I guess I gotta go back the way I came, because there's another tour going on. Really wish they would have just let me give me 5 minutes to do my thing here, but I guess not. Let's see. The gaming room is really the best. This is really the best part, the gambling. So they have a bunch of slot machines and stuff. These are really nice. This one's a pretty common one, but I guess this was a pretty happening spot for entertainment, kind of like a mini Vegas back in the day. It was kind of interesting to hear about the history. I like this machine. I like this unique, it's kind of 1930s, 1940s style, interesting slot machine. You don't see these very often, this style.
And we're dashing out of the door the next morning. Now, if any of that footage has been uploaded, it will likely be through the Discovery Archives.
I don't want to disturb that other group of people. But anyway, this is kind of a snapshot of it. It's interesting. If you're a history buff, definitely you'll enjoy it. There's not as many kind of artifacts as I would have imagined having in here, but if you're in Hot Springs, I guess pop by and check it out. Seems like this town had a lot of ill-gotten money flowing through it many years ago. And they play several videos talking about the history of the town, and this is a gift shop.
And it's like 70, 72 degrees outside, and he's putting on a heavy sweatshirt.
Oh yeah.
It Yeah, it's cold. And me, I'm an t-shirt.
It's right here in the downtown. So what was interesting, man, it's loud out here. What's interesting is they, at the end of the video, they show a video of a guy basically underneath this street. There's a creek underneath the street here. So when they paved this over, it's like an arch, like a giant sewer tunnel that they had built to let the creek flow. And so underneath this street, I'm sure there's an entryway somewhere. You can actually walk under the street through a natural creek bed that is flowing 24 hours a day here. So anyway, this is the front, the Gangster Museum of America. It was interesting. Bit long-winded. Definitely, it's for history buffs. It's not really all that exciting. But I never really have a chance to see this place. I only come through here once or twice a year. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Oh, and this is the bathhouse row. This is where all the expensive bathhouses are. If you want to pay $100 to take a bath, this is where you go.